Get ready with us as an HM student.
Get ready with me as an hospitality management student. So hey everyone, I am Judy Ann Ailiana Las Pobres and I am a hospitality management student. Today, I am excited to take you through my morning routine and share some tips on how to prepare for a day in this dynamic field. First things first, let's talk about getting ready. I like to start my day early to make the most out of my morning. After waking up, I usually spend a few minutes stretching and getting myself mentally prepared for the day ahead. Next up is skincare. As a hospitality student, it's important to maintain a professional appearance. I keep my routine simple with just the essentials. A good moisturizer and some light makeup to help me feel fresh. Proper grooming in the hospitality industry is essential because it creates strong first impressions, builds trust, and reflects professionalism. It supports a hotel or restaurant's brand image, ensures hygiene, especially in food service, and boosts employees' confidence, leading to better customer service by maintaining grooming standards while respecting cultural differences. Hospitality establishments create a welcoming and reputable environment for all guests. Now, let's pick out my outfit. I always aim for something that both professional and comfortable. Today, I'm going with my formal attire as it's perfect for my classes and looks polished for any networking opportunities I might encounter. Before I head out, I like to take a moment to set my goals for the day, whether it's participating in class discussions or networking with my peers. Having a plan keeps motivated. Thanks for joining me in my morning routine. Have a great day. Bye.